Gold, now we are based on daily chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay, based on the daily chart, as we can see, we are within this correction. Now the question is how long we will be here and what we are interested in the down move. Okay, based on the daily chart, we don't have any trade setup right now. In this case, we move to forward chart. Okay, based on the forward chart, in my last video, the first thing we look into this was this correction, and we put in relative to this two move. Okay, then we have this move. That means right now that we have the first, based on the overall correction, the first move we have this. Sorry, the first move is this, including this correction. Now what we are expecting, we have this move down, we expect this, we put this one similar to what we have here, then we get this correction. In relative to this, we get one move down, sorry, one move up. Okay, that means we expecting, we put this one in relative to this. This means that we expect this one be similar to what we have here. We get the correction in relative to this, then we get one move up. Okay, if we analyze based on this correction, now the question is whether the price from here we should expect for the move up, or we get the correction, the price drop to somewhere around here, then we get the move up. Because if the price drop here and break this low or within this range, we will get a different correction running flat, then we can expect the expanding. Okay, we don't care about this. Now the question is whether the price from here can move up, or we should expect the correction, the price drop before we get the move up. Okay, now we want to see how we can trade it. In this case, we move to 1 hour chart. Alright, the first thing we talk about this sell. Okay, if we want to look for sell, we expect the price come somewhere around here or break the top. It doesn't mean it have to break the top, but at least the price comes somewhere around here, not here. Okay, again, the price come a bit higher or break the top, then we get the correction, then any sell from the top is can be a good idea, and we expect the price come here or break the low. Okay, this is how we're going to look for sell. That means if you want to look for sell, we wait the market open, we see how we get this correction, we get the flat with breaking the top or without the breaking the top. Any trade setup will be a good idea, and we don't expect this one will move on based on the higher time frame, the daily chart break the low. But as long as we get the trade, as long as the price came to this low, we see whether if there is a continuation, we keep. If there is, we see this is not continuing and there is a correction, we take out the trade. Okay, how about the buy? How we can look for buy? Buy can be within this range, anywhere within this range we can trade it. We don't need the price break this top, get the confirmation. That means if the market open, as we can see here, if we get any small correction from here, we can look for buy. Any correction, I mean, if we get any correction here when the market open, if now we have a few candles, we need to get a few more. All right, we can look for buy. And if the market open, how about if the market open, we didn't get the correction, the price continue, then again, any buy setup we can take it. Okay, but the best things is whether we get a correction here, we look for buy, or wait the price break the top, we get a correction for buy. Within this one is I don't suggest it, because even you get the buy setup here, how about if the price come to break the top and reverse? Or if we want to take the buy within this range, a small range, I mean above this or below this, if we get, we need to manage it. Okay, because still the up move is there. But now the question is whether the price from here, or we should expect one move down before we take the up move. Okay, in it, as we can see here, see, maybe we can put this one similar to what we have here. We get the up move, the price drop. See, sometimes you get, if how about if we get this correction, that means the price from here, we get this big correction similar to what we have here. Yes, or this flat, then we can get the look for up move. Okay, that's why we can look for up move within this range, but it depends. We need to see. Okay, how we can trade it from what we have right now. If the market open, first things, we get any correction within here, we look for buy, and if the price come to this level, we see if there is a continuation, we keep. If there is no continuation, we see we get the reversal, then we take out the trade. Then if we get any sell setup, we look for sell to this low. How about if the price when the market open continue and move up, we just leave it. We don't look for buy. If we want to look for buy, we need to get the correction. Okay, in this case, we don't have any trade setup right now. The only thing is when the market open, we want to see how this correction can form. Anyway, when the market open, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade, then I will share on YouTube. Thanks.